we're back in craft building. Yeah, building. Let's. I did not put that there. That. Yeah, I found this village, and there's 8 farms. If you don't believe me, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 farms. I said if I saw 9 farms, I will drop 10 TNTs on top of every house, and I'll join 20 on every one farm. Cause I don't know why they need so much farms. What is this just hook thing? This is like a hook. This is a J. You can kind of see it. It's like a hook. Yeah. This is a blacksmith. You can correct me if I'm wrong. So that I didn't play that much of this. Okay. So shall we go down here? Okay. So how I found this is I was just wandering. It's like a wandering trader and come across this village. And I'm gonna tell you one thing. This house, you see this tall, gray, stone building. This is my building. This only has 1 and 2, and this one is just the roof. But I added an extra room, and I don't like this door. I want automatic door. I don't know how to build it, but I want the automatic door. Well, you can do. Yeah, piston like a. You can just put the pressure plate. Okay. I have one thing in mind, but it's not worth it. Yeah, I saw from a famous YouTuber, which I watched. Now I don't watch because it's kind of weird, actually. Yeah, I was weirded so much. I was so weirded out. I was just weirded out. Oh, you can play this like that? Wait. Hello. You can be my maid. Go do your job. You are fired. If I can do that, then I know what can I do. Oh my, it's loud. Eh. Oh, it's gonna break. Oh. Do that. When I can make a motorcycle like this. Wow, look at my new whip. And I break that ball. That was so cool. So I played it anyway. Now I'm not gonna put them there. I wanna put this somewhere in the village. Wait. I have a question. Yeah. Oh, they are almost perfect, but not perfect. Okay, I'm at one of the farms. There's another farm there and one farm here. I just want to just place this at my door, but I can't. Wait. This can be really good. This looks sick, but I have to remove. Yeah, it looks good. You can use this. Oh my. Oh, it's raining. Go inside. Where did I place that one? Placed. Yep. And if I have face cam, I can show you that I'm bleeding. Yeah. Well, my mother can cut that part out. So yeah. Yeah. If I was in I had one of those webcam. I could have shown you my blood. It's just spewing in and out. Oh wait. Oh, that looks cool. But wait, I have to check something out. Can I place it on? Oh, I can place it on either side. Let me extend back a little. Oh, look at this! And I break it. That's so good. So okay. So it is night. I never saw this house before. That's the first time. And this also. These two are the top and the top. Yeah. So it's kinda at the top. Wait, what are those? Oh, there's a flowers. If this was real life, I'll give one to my mother. Oh, what is this? This is an interesting one. I'm not giving you a cauldron. Evie, I open up. You have photo of this. There's nobody in here. It's just this hollow house. I don't put a grindstone. Why did I put it on the top? I was in that house. Yeah. Yeah, that's a blacksmith. Okay, let me just weep. I don't have doors. What a second. This is iron bars. No. I know what I'm thinking, but I'm not doing what I'm thinking. How can you build a lift if I want? But I don't really want to build a lift. This is iron. Well, let me see. Let me see. What I'm saying? Okay, I can get up now. Is there something? Okay, I'll grab a pressure plate and just. It won't fit. Why didn't it lock? Bro, now the sea. And yeah, I found my door. Hello. Bro, the villagers can also walk here. But one thing in mind. Wait, a brewing stand. But I can make anything. This is my lift. Yeah. So I just this is yeah, this is my chest of nothing. And this is the bedroom. Yeah. Okay, this is the top floor. Yep, it is completely fine. So I'm gonna end the video here, and if you are a big fan of me, you can come. If you are not in India, you don't have to take a plane here. We live in Paschim Bengal on the ram, and I'm in Dwaria Milan building. I'm in a yellow house that is half like this color, that color. Yeah. So if you spot my house somewhere, you should come. So this is only it for today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, and comment. Bye. Wait. Bye.